Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today, we are going to disable Windows Defender, which is also called Windows Security. Let me briefly explain what it is. Windows Defender is a security program provided by Microsoft by default. It is a very important tool, and it should usually stay enabled and updated. However, sometimes we need to turn it off, for example, when installing a third-party application or another security software. In this video, I will show you two easy methods to disable it, either temporarily or permanently. So let's begin. First, go to the Start icon on the left-hand side and right-click on it. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Update and Security and click on that. On the left side, you will see Windows Security. Click on that. A new window will open. Here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. When this page opens, scroll down and click on Manage Settings. In the Manage Settings section, turn off the Protection option and confirm by clicking Yes. Also turn off Cloud Delivered Protection if it is enabled. This completes the first method. Now, if you want to disable it permanently, follow the second method. Right-click on the Start icon again and click on Run. In the Run window, type regedit and click OK. When asked for permission, click Yes. The registry editor will open. Go to HKey Local Machine, then open Software. Inside Software, look for Policies and expand it. Next, open Microsoft and then find Windows Defender. Once you find Windows Defender, right-click on it, go to New, and select DW-Word 32-bit value. Name it exactly as I'm doing it, Disable Anti-Spyware. Make sure there are no spaces in the name. After creating it, double-click on it and set the value to 1. Click OK. Once this is done, restart your computer. After restarting, Windows Defender or Windows Security will be disabled permanently. If you ever want to enable it again, simply delete this value and restart your computer, and it will turn back on. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.